So friends, if you have iPhone and Mac, but whenever you receive any particular call on your iPhone, you also get a notification on your Mac as well. But now you want to stop getting notifications on Mac, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So there are three ways by which you can stop getting call notifications on your Mac. Let's start with the first one. And for that, all you need to do is go and open FaceTime in your Mac. You can find it in dock, or else press command plus space bar on your Mac and it will activate Spotlight search, and over here you can search for FaceTime. Now once you open FaceTime application, this is how the interface will look like. All you need to do is again go to menu bar, tap on FaceTime and select settings option over here. Now this is the pop-up window where you can check out your Apple account. You can also check out the FaceTime is activated on number or email ID. You can check out all those basic details over here. You get an option of calls from iPhone over here on the general page, right? So if this option is selected, make sure it is unchecked. If you uncheck this particular option, then in future, whenever you get a call on your iPhone, you won't receive it on your Mac. So this was the first method. Let's take a look at the second one now. And again, for that, you need to go to system settings in your Mac. Once you open system settings, go down and look for notification. In notification, you get an option of allow notifications from iPhone. Currently, it is turned on. Select that option. You can turn off main option which says allow notification from iPhone. If you turn it off, in future, if you receive any notification in your iPhone, you won't receive it on your Mac. But if you still want notification for some specific app, then you can turn on the main option over here. And for that specific app, you can turn on the toggle, and for application which you don't want notification from, you can turn it off. So this was the second method. Now let's take a look at the third method, and for that you will need your iPhone. So all you have to do is just simply open settings option in your iPhone. Once you open settings, go to mobile service option over here. And once you are on this particular page, go down. Now once you go down, you get an option of calls on other devices. Select that option, and the main option is allow calls on other device. If you turn off this toggle, in future if you get call on your iPhone, you won't get the call or notification on your Mac. But if you have connected multiple devices on same Apple ID, you can check out the list over here. And over here, if you turn on this toggle, you can select specific devices for which you still want the notification. So if you don't want notification on your Mac, you can turn it off for your Mac, and for the rest of your devices, you will still get notification for the calls. So yeah, if you don't want notification or calls on any other device, just simply turn off the main option. So that's how simple it is to stop getting notifications for calls on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.